friends, in today's video I am going to give you one word which is bounty. It has three different meanings. First is prize or reward. Second is generosity, which means kindness, or you can use it for people who are very liberal in giving. ओपन हैंडेड इज़ एन एडजेक्टिव. हिंदी में अगर दानवीर बोले उसके लिए ओपन हैंडेड वर्ड आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. Those people who are always ready to give you something and they are not saying no to anyone, they are also known as a bounty kind of people. Third is plenty, means lots of or the large amount. Here I have given you some example. Very first is I received 20,000 rupees and title of employee of the year for my hard work and dedication. So here it is I used like a reward. Second is police announced 50,000 bounty for that cruel murderer. Again it is like a prize. उस मर्डरर को पकड़ने की जो प्राइज इनाम रखा है वो 50,000 रुपीज़ बाउंटी रखी है, like that. Third is the orphanage is running smoothly cause of NRI's bounty. ऑर्फनेज बहुत स्मूथली चल रहा है NRI लोगों की जो काइंडनेस है, उनका जो डोनेशन है उसकी वजह से. फोर्थ वन इज़ आफ्टर फ्लड बाउंटी ऑफ फूड पैकेट्स वर सप्लाइड फॉर फ्लड विक्टिम्स. प्लेंटी लॉट्स ऑफ के सेंस में यहाँ पर मैंने यूज़ किया है कि फ्लड के बाद लोगों के लिए जो फ्लड विक्टिम्स थे उनके लिए बहुत सारे फूड पैकेट्स सप्लाई किए. नाउ here I have given you one picture of a chocolate which is one of my favorite chocolate. Its name is Bounty, and today I have chosen this word just because of this chocolate, because when I saw the wrapper it clicked in my mind what is the meaning of bounty, and I searched in a dictionary, so I come to know about these three meanings. So I like to share one of my experience that whenever I go somewhere or when I'm traveling or driving, whatever things I see on the road or I come to know about new word, that time I note down in my mobile, and later on when I get the free time I try to search the meaning of that word. So it is my habit to improve my vocabulary and learn English in an active way. So I just shared my experience. If you want to learn English, do active learning. Here I have given you some name of brands and companies and products, and today your task is you have to find out their meaning. So very first I have given as an example Perk. You know the chocolate, right? It's the name of a chocolate. If perk is used as a noun, then it means special benefits. बेसिकली जब हम जॉब अप्लाई करते हैं एंड व्हेन वी आर चेंजिंग वन जॉब टू अदर, द रीज़न इज़ पर्क. पर्क मीन्स special benefit. If you are getting some special benefit in your particular job, then you move to that job, right? And when perk is used as a verb, that means make more cheerful or lively, interesting and energetic. So there are two different meanings. If perk is as a noun, then it's different meaning, and perk as a verb, it is having different meaning. Now it is your task to find out the Sprite we are drinking. Swift is a car model name. Sneaker, again it's a chocolate. Fourth one is Nestle, which is also one company. It is producing lots of chocolates and milk powders and all. Barista, that is a cafe name. So yeah, it's your time to find out the meaning of these words and share in your comment section. Hope you enjoy this video and you learned some new things from this video. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.